Hello boys and beauties, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Markela Tarrance, and for those of you who do know me, welcome back. So as you all see, I'll be showing you all how to do a half up, half down quick weave tutorial. But before we move any further, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video. Now let's go ahead and get right into the video.
Alrighty guys, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So I went ahead and I already straightened my hair and I blew dry my hair. My hair is freshly washed. So the first thing that I am going to do is I'm going to take my rat tail comb and I'm just going to part my hair in half. So it's going to be 2 sections. Now depending on where you're doing it or how much leave out you want to have, I will not be leaving any of my hair out. All of my hair will be put up, and I'm going to show you all how to do it without leave out. So as you all see, I'm parting my hair into 2. So what I'm combing towards the back is what I'm going to do the quick weave on, and the top part that I have out is of course going to be the ponytail portion, right? So now what I'm just doing is I'm just trying to see if I have enough, and I'm just going to put my hair into a scrunchie. So you will need to use a wig cap, and you will need some glue protector, right? So you usually want to apply that on right after you put on your cap. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hair into a braid. Now you can either braid your hair or you can put it in a ponytail depending on how long you want the style to last. I didn't really plan on having this in too long, so this was the technique that I wanted to use. But you can do 2 braids or 4 braids or 6 braids or however you see fit. But I'm just going to just do this portion because this was quick and easy, and this is another technique. I don't really see too many people doing that. So as you all see, I went ahead and I braided my hair, and I just put about 2 bobby pins just to secure it. Now you don't have to do this either, but like I said, this is the technique that I chose. So now that we have that secured, I'm going to take my wig cap, and I went ahead and sped this up. You do not have to do this part either. I know I'm saying that a lot, but I'm just showing you all. So because I don't have a back mirror, I did use some bobby pins just to help me not to put the glue or the glue protector on the portion that I'm going to put in a ponytail. So now as you all see, I'm putting the glue protector on a brush, and I'm just putting it on the cap. Now you want to make sure you put an even amount on the brush, and you just want to make sure that you spread it out. I've been doing my hair for quite some time, so I am kind of familiar. So that is why I'm literally have no mirror, but you want to put at least 2 to 3 layers. So I believe I only did about 2 layers, and you want to blow dry it until it is completely dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you all watch this. Alrighty guys, so now that my hair is completely molded, I'm going to take my track and I'm going to measure it to my head. Now, of course, with you doing your own hair, if you have somebody else doing your own hair, I would highly recommend that you measure it and then glue it. So I'm just going to take a little bit of my glue, and I'm going to put the track in the same place where I measured it, and I'm going to continuously do this. Now this is a more repetitive thing that you'll do when you're doing a quick weave. I have done several quick weave videos before, so if you need a more in-depth video, go ahead and watch one of my previous videos. But for this, I did speed this part up for you guys. So like I said, you can either measure your hair, or if you want to just cut it and glue it, you're more than welcome to do that. But just to help with measurements and just to help with your tracks to lay down, I would highly recommend that you measure, then you go ahead and glue. So now I'm just going to go ahead and continue to do this for you guys. Alrighty guys, so now that my hair is completely done in the back, I'm just going to go ahead and cut the cap. You want to make sure, if you don't have any help, you be extremely careful. Make sure you take your time when you do this, because it takes literally 2 seconds to cut your hair, and you do not want to cut your hair if you are rushing. So just go slow. So I'm just going to cut it on both sides. I did accidentally pull that track, but I will go ahead and glue that later on in the video once I begin like styling and everything. But make sure you take your time when you cut and you don't rush. And as you all see too, peep that I don't have any of my hair out, right? My hair was clearly straight. I didn't plan on putting any products or anything on my hair. So now that we have that cut off, and as you see that small track, as I said, I was just going to go ahead and glue it. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a small piece, and I'm just going to put it right back in its place. And it's super easy, guys, so don't think too much of it. If one track kind of slips, just go ahead and glue it back. So now we're at the top of the hair. So I did use my edge tamer, my edge control, to lay my hair. I didn't have any wax, and my camera was not really doing its part on zooming in, so it was really no purpose of me showing you all. So that's why I just went ahead and put the product on my hair. So if you don't want to put any heat or anything to your hair, I would highly recommend that you apply like a wax of some sort, and you use a hard brush or a brush that you are familiar with, right? So I'm just going to take my hair and I'm going to put it in a ponytail, or I'm going to put it in a bun. But as you all see, none of my hair is out. When I placed my tracks, I put them in like a U shape. That way I didn't have to worry about having my hair out, because the hair is super curly. It's going to cover and you won't even be able to see. So I'm going to go ahead and let you all continue to watch. Alrighty guys, now that I have finished gluing the tracks on, I'm just going to take a few strands of hair and I am just going to wrap it around so that you won't see that obvious track. You know the difference between your hair and the actual track, you kind of want to hide that. So that is what I am going to do. So I'm just going to take that small piece that you all seen and I'm just going to continuously wrap it around. Now, if you want to add some type of wax or spray or edge control to this piece, you are more than welcome to do so. The hair, I didn't really want to put any product on it. I just wanted to just wrap it around. But what I will do, and I accidentally edit this, I will actually put a bobby pin just to secure, and I only use one. So it wasn't too uncomfortable, but essentially this is what the hair looks like. I am going to tease it. I didn't put, period. I didn't put any products or anything in my hair. But I did make sure that it was in a natural state because I kind of like the curls like that. If you want to put products on it, I would definitely go ahead and go for it. But essentially, this is how my hair came out. I love my hair. I love a good half up, half down. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video just as much as I did creating it. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe this video. And I cannot wait to see you next time. Peace.